Hi there, I'm Benedict, SAP Mentor and Enterprise Mobility Analyst. I want to thank you today for joining us for this video comments. Today we're going to talk about management. We're going to talk about how to manage a real-time enterprise. Now I propose that we have a lot to learn from current military strategy. Why military strategy, you may ask? Well, who is more involved in having to manage real-time operations during chaos and the fog of war? It's going to be the military, and they've invested millions and hundreds of millions, I would think, in recent strategy on how to help commanders, aka managers, think better, make better decisions, process information quickly. You know, there's a lot of new information out there. I went to a used bookstore, one of my favorite in Portland, Oregon, called Powell's. Powell's, an independent bookstore, 4 floors, whole city block. I love it. They have books like this one, A Vision So Noble. And this is about John Boyle, Colonel John Boyle. Some of his, Boyd I should say, not Boyle, Boyd. He has fascinating thought and strategy around managing a real-time operation and how to think better. Matter of fact, his strategies are used in modern tank warfare and strategies, in combat flying strategies, special forces strategy. Anytime you're in a situation where there's a lot of chaos, there's a lot of data, there's a lot of volume of data coming in, and you've got to make quick decisions. There's an acronym that Colonel Boyd has come up with. It's called OODA, O-O-D-A, Observe, Orient, Decide, and Act. And that's a circular decision process. Observe, orient, decide, and act. And the faster you can process that and spin that wheel of decision making, the quicker and better your decisions are. Now, the object of OODA was, how can you make better decisions quicker on more data than your opponent? Because if you can make better decisions quicker than your opponent, you have the advantage. The same commercially. If you have better intelligence on your competitors and you're able to correctly see the data and make better decisions quicker in marketing campaigns, sales campaigns, positioning, product R&D, you're going to have a successful company. And so the military, again, that's just one of them. Another one of the strategies that they're really teaching people today in the military is one called activity-based intelligence. Let me just read a description of what activity-based intelligence is. It's an evolving strategy for developing intelligence using the combined capabilities of persistent surveillance, data collection management, analytic tradecraft, and flexible and discoverable data management. Now, those things, may seem a bit vague in that short summary description, but they involve being able to process a lot of information in unique and visually productive manners where you can see things on maps. You can have real-time business intelligence helping you understand what it means and what is being done. All of that at the tip of your finger. And again, all of these strategies, as a matter of fact, when I came back recently from Portland, Oregon, where I was at Powell's bookstore, I came back with 8 new books, all military strategy like this, on how to make decisions quicker, better, faster, with more data in the time of chaos. And I think there's a lot we're going to learn. As a matter of fact, at SAP's Tech Ed coming up here, I think the week of September 15th, around there, that week in Las Vegas at Tech Ed, I'm going to be teaching a session on enterprise mobility and the real-time enterprise and how this all fits together and how we can use some of these new tools coming out of the military to help us manage the real-time enterprise. I want to thank you for joining me today for this video comments. Thank you.